Hi, Frankford friends. Kathy Wells Power inside the historic Frankford Church. In a few weeks, we plan to start construction of our new legacy building near the church. It dawned on me the other day that it's been 124 years since the Frankford community had a capital campaign for this church in which I'm standing. I recently came across the original costs of the church and thought you'd be interested in what they were. The expense of the entire interior of the church was $377.40. Here are some of the itemized costs of the interior. 16 windows and sashes, $125. Baseboard finish, $23. Altar rail, $9. And pews, $203. Obviously, it's going to cost more to build the new legacy building than it did the church in 1896. But like the Frankford community 124 years ago, our Frankford community today is coming together to raise the necessary funds for our much-needed legacy building. Thanks to all of you who have already given, and if you'd like more information about our new building, the campaign, and how you can contribute, check out our website at frankfordpreservationfoundation.org/legacy.